Cordial greeting, tutor and company. Step 3, Identity, Technology, Value. Student, María Lucila Correa Prada. Teacher, Carla Triana. Group 2120327. Date, 27 of October. Problem 3. Identify technology value and lack of information on the market and commercialization. Variable source and economy group. Fiscal, legal, or technical entry barriers. Distribution and channel, the one that have. There is no distribution that offers in the necessity than products in marketing. Input, planning of logistic delivery. Recommendations to face two difficulties defined in the problem 3. Marketing work covers the study and analysis of both the market and consumer. 2. Receiver wise commercial activities are the most recommended to observe a product's service and Beijing able to capture the attention of the consumer, archive their loyalty with the brand and the company.